The difference between GraphPad and other business forms applications is it has an integrated drawing engine. And that drawing engine is not just integrated, it's actually an integral part of the form. So in the form, we can actually draw a line. We still have this extremely easy to use drawing engine. We can change the properties of these lines simply by going and selecting how the spacing we'd want it to be, the thickness and the color, etc. But now as we go to calculate a length, and we'll do a combined length of these two lines, we'll see that not only did we calculate the length, but we actually put that into a bill of materials. And with that bill of materials, we actually have an icon representing the style of line and its color. This would go for other icons that we drop onto the drawing, so we can have a library of symbols, and these symbols having meaning. When we drop them into the drawing, we'll actually see that the bill of materials actually keeps track of not only the name of the symbol, the icon of the symbol, but also the count. So if we dropped multiple icons in, it's going to maintain that record count. And we still have this drawing engine which has snap capability, so we can snap things into alignment, etc. Now, with an iPad, you have voice recognition. So in this example of baseboard, we can go ahead and use the voice recognition to change our fields. And these fields then can be copied to other aspects of the form. So in this case, when we go to the next page, we'll see that length of baseboard and the block and pad pier has been copied over as a scope of work on a separate page. We still have things you'd expect in a normal business form, so you can make out your estimate. You can have your customer go ahead and sign on the spot. You can even have initials, so as you want them to initial certain aspects, they can just put their initials in, etc. And these forms are extremely easy to populate. So if we look at this form in particular, this is all just an image of Centex's actual form. The only fields that have to be laid out are the fields associated with the initials and also the dates. And so the time it takes to actually generate these is actually very low. This whole package can then be integrated with the back-end system. In this case, we're integrating via a map view, and this shows all of Centex's appointments for that particular day. They can then select an appointment. It will bring up all the information from their back-end system for that particular client, and now when they open the form, we'll see all that information being pre-populated so that the user doesn't actually have to go and type this in at all. And he still has this fabulous drawing engine with dimensions and the ability to easily be modified to fit the actual scenario. And that's my presentation. That's what really makes GraphPad a unique solution, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.